4 and divided by 5 divided by 10, right? And minus 3 times 1 equals 3. But this is wrong. Use KCF method. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. KCF, not KFC, right? So 4 and change division to multiplication. Now flip 5 divided by 10, 10 divided by 5, and minus 3 times 1. Now 4 times 10 equals 40 divided by 5, and minus 3 times 1. Now 40 divided by 5 equals 8, minus 3 times 1. Now multiply first, right? So 8 minus 3, and 8 minus 3 equals 5.